When I tell you I am obsessed with this, the Legend by Beauty Creation palette, I am obsessed. I used it already and I'm ready to change this look into something va 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 voom. You want to see how this work out? Keep watching. This palette is so pretty. So pretty. So I'm gonna go into, oh, there's so many good colors. I don't know what shade that is, but I'm going to blow this out like from here all the way in. I just want to create something fun and have some fun with this palette. This palette is a fun palette. This is not a palette to be like, oh, let's be timid with it. There are timid colors in there, but I'm going for the colors that are bold. Bold, bold, bold. I want a bold. I love this palette. It's right up my alley. And as usual, when I'm done, I will, take care of everything else. But oh my God, I'm blowing it out. You see what I'm doing? I'm blowing it out. I'll clean all of that. Don't you worry, I will clean all of that. I just want it to be nice and bold like this. You see this? This is me. This is me. This palette is like perfect. This is the shade I'm using right here. Oh, this is the shade I'm using right here. It's like a dark plum deep wine. And I'm just going out. I'm blowing everything out. I'm making a va 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 voom look. My kind of stuff to do. It is always good to have fun with this. And this palette is just fun. The colors, I love colors, my God. Colors will change your mood in a minute. If you are feeling down and you have makeup, play in it. You don't even have to put it all over your face in the right order. Only you seen it, it's your fun. Just slap it everywhere, have fun, laugh in the mirror, and then wash it off. Trust me, if you do that, you will see how your mood change. Your mood will change in a second. Okay, now that I've blown it out on both sides, what else am I gonna use? I think I need a shimmer or two. Should I? Let's see what I want to do. I have another fluffy brush. I really have no rhyme or reason for what's happening, but I am going to go into all these colors. I'll go here in this purple. And I'll blow it up from this end. Never know where this is going. That's why you have to keep watching to see where this is going. Never know where this is going. This is always going somewhere. I have no idea. Wow. I mean, take a look. They are close, isn't it? In undertones. One is a purple and one is a brown wine, but with undertone, they are matching the same, almost the same undertone. Who knew? Unless you play with stuff, you don't know what you get. Play with them. Play with your colors. Now I need a shimmer. There's so many pretty shimmers in here. This one has a purple undertone, so I'm gonna start with this. If this doesn't work, then I'll do something else, right? There's always room for something else. I think we are in the right company. Wow, this is good. Good, 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 good. This is pretty. You see this? This is good. I love this. I love this palette. This palette have every color I can think of that I love and more. I'm just using my hand to put it on, and I will fix it as I go. Because I have hooded eyes, so I have to measure, gauge each eye piece by piece and then play with it. Isn't that pretty already? Whoa, 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 whoa. One shimmer, I'm going into this one. This one has like a blue undertone. There is a black right here. I'm going to take some of that and I'm going to go into the outer corner and sweep it up. When you work with black, work with it in small amounts so it don't get away from you and make your look completely different than what you're going for. Always take your time with black, just like that. Today's fun eye look, it's this. Remember, I blow it out, so let me show you. I blow it out all the way to the outer corner, all the way to the outer corner. This is the look. Today's I am is, I am living life to the fullest. I am living life to the fullest. You are living life to the fullest. Be grand, live life to the fullest. Life is short, enjoy it. Today's I am living life to the fullest. This is the look, very playful look. I love to have fun with my palettes. That palette, The Legend by Beauty Creation, just is beautiful. I use this shimmer right here that has a blue base, this shimmer right here which is purple, and the blue base is in the middle next to the purple. And then I went in with this purple, this brown, and blow everything out. And at the end, I use a little bit of black just to balance the shades. So I hope you are loving this fun makeup. I used to do this in the beginning and then I switch it up, but every now and then I like to go back to it because it's just fun, right? With the hat. And if I take the hat out, I have one piece of hair that just wants to be in the way of everything. And without the hat, this is it. And I can make the hair big, as big as I want, and have another look. Always remember you first. Love yourself plenty. Do what makes you happy and give you joy, joy, joy. Deep down in your soul. Pull it out. It's there. And laugh and have fun. Life is too short. Enjoy it. Enjoy it. Have fun. Until I see you and you see me I want you to find whatever it is that gave you joy when you were a little kid. See if that still brings you joy. Because usually what gave us joy when we were a little kid might still give us joy now, because when we were kids, everything was pure. We just did things. We had no restrictions. We did not do things to harm ourselves or others, but we did things that gave us joy and happiness and meaning. See if that still exists. But you know where it is? Deep down inside. Please remember to share this video, and I will see you very, very shortly. Yay, yay!